We'll guide you through how to speed up clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to your media pool to import your video clips if you haven't done that yet. Drag your clip onto the timeline in the Edit page. To change the speed, right-click on the clip in the timeline and select Retime Controls from the drop-down menu. You'll see a speed percentage appear above your clip. You can click on the small arrow next to the percentage to bring up a menu, then choose Change Speed. A dialog box will pop up where you can enter a new speed percentage. Enter a higher percentage than 100 to speed up the clip. For instance, entering 200 will double the speed. If you want more precise control, you can use RI time curve by right-clicking and selecting it. This allows you to adjust the speed on a graph, providing more flexibility. You can even add keyframes if you want the speed to change gradually over time. Remember, after adjusting the speed, your audio will also be affected, so you might need to decide if you want to keep the audio or mute it. Simply right-click on the clip and choose Clip Attributes to adjust the audio settings. Once you're satisfied with the speed changes, you can play back the clip to see the effect. If everything looks good, you're ready to export your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.